Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the persona's clear goal and boundaries so behavior is predictable. Once done, write a compact system prompt that states role, tone, and safety rules. Next, add essential variables like user context and memory scope so responses stay relevant. Then you create a new preset in Janitor Ai and paste the system prompt, set default temperature, and a sensible max token limit. Make sure to name the preset clearly. This is the live persona you will use immediately. Now you refine the persona's behavior by adjusting temperature, top P, and response length so answers match your desired creativity level. While testing, write positive and negative examples inside the system prompt to nudge preferred phrasing and refusal patterns, which reduces hallucinations. Once that's working, implement slot variables for dynamic info, names, dates, preferences, and make sure Janitor Ai pulls the right context window. Continue iterating with short test prompts. Finally, deploy the persona by saving it as a version preset and using it in real sessions while monitoring for drift. You should log unexpected outputs and trace them back to either the system prompt, variables, or context window. If things go wrong, first reduce temperature and top P to increase determinism, then tighten or rewrite the system prompt and reset any stale context slots. Make sure to test after each change. This iterative loop keeps the persona accurate and safe in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.